By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. Oi! By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remembered Zion. Singing in the house.
When the wicked carried us away in captivity, required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? When the wicked carried us away in captivity, requiring of us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in a strange land?
Let the words of our mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. Let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.